Right, this is the first time I've ever used a welder. So yeah, come with me, see how I do, and see how I progress. Right, and as the saying goes, I've watched plenty of YouTube videos, so I'm YouTube certified. Right, so I realised here that the welder was not on hot enough, powerful enough. So I cranked it up a little bit. And then, yeah, it seemed to weld alright after this. My fucking first bead, I can't believe it. Right, this is good so far. Try again, shall we? Well, there you go. You can weld with the generator. Now, I'm not a welder. This is I bought this in lockdown, but what I ended up doing in lockdown was getting drunk playing COD, playing Warzone. So this is the first time I've used this machine. And to be honest with you, I'm very happy with that. Very happy, and it has gone through, look. If anything, it's gone, yeah, put the power up too much. But I mean, for the first attempt, I am very happy with that. Very happy. Happy Darren. Yeah, it turns out you can weld with a generator and a little MIG welder and a big bottle of gas. So I'll make a couple of more videos and we'll try and get a better weld. Let's see if I can get this out. So you got full penetration there. Yeah, I'm very happy with that. I'm looking forward to this. Very, very much looking forward to this. It's actually not a bad little bead there, is it? I think I'm holding it in the same spot for too long. I think I need to move along quicker. But yeah. Yes.